So very first solutions, we click on this sound like icon and then click on sound settings. So when you click on sound settings, when you have more sound settings, you're going to click on that. And then here you have recording, some microphones, go to properties. Here you're going to click on properties again. You'll come up with this windows. I can click on change settings. Again, you'll come up with another windows, and you'll go to the drivers. Now you'll click on rollback driver. If you want to choose the options, what might be the reason why you want to roll back your driver to the previous state. So you're going to choose one options from there why you want to roll back. So I want to roll back because previously my previous driver was giving the good performance, and then click on OK. So it will take some time. So roll back, it's not responding. That means it is working on it. You can see the yellow cursor moving. So roll backing the driver. So give a time to roll back the driver. After roll backing, it is successfully done. You can see. Click on yes. Now you'll restart the PC. After restarting the PC, again you'll come back to the same place and check it back. Go to the sound settings, and now at this time again we'll test the sound. It's working fine. After roll backing the driver, you can see the fluctuation. Some microphone, see the fluctuations. It is taking the input now. The input sound, it's input voice. Whatever I speak, it is see. Is fluctuating is taking. I can start the 53% of the total volumes. So the input volume is was 2%. Now it is 53%. So update has caused the problem. Rollbacking driver really worked for me. So one of the other steps will help you. Now you will get the sound in your video after recording. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment.